Hi guys, welcome back to Ruby. Sorry, wait. I didn't really set the camera properly, but I wanted to show you something like all day long, and I got it from like Simon's wife. That's the shout out, and also the shout out goes to Kaylen and Jason and my sister and Meta. I met them today, and I just texted them today. So yeah, and I don't think I can fit this in the camera anymore. This Kusheen the cat. So they got this from the Easter shop. I didn't go there. And then there's like this Kusheen the cat has like a spoon of cereal. I'm guessing more cereal on the bowl. And on the back of this side, he's so happy. And he has a milkshake. And why does the pink look so thick? Anyways, let's move on. Oh my god, guys, we have sorry. The star. But oh my god, we have a Kusheen the cat bag. There's a drum pocket. Pretty empty. No makeover. And it even says Kusheen the cat. And he's so happy. There's the inside compartment, but I can't put this. And just like, and inside there's like nothing. But that's the inside. It's a deep in. And I just need to cut that up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a scissors. Whoop! My white scissors. Now we're gonna cut. Look, it even says free plus Kusheen the cat backpack. Oh, Jason Long just said hi. Hi! Thanks for replying. I'm right now doing a video. Sorry, Jason, I can't reply now. I'll reply later. And you didn't reply to me when I just replied. But it's okay. I know a lot. It's Jason do. Oh yeah, I really want to reply now. You do that, okay. Yay! I love that. Let's wear it. Oh my god, this is so cute. The straps are so, but it's oversized. So cute. It's adorable. I really want to bring it to school, even though how many. Oh, the school bag. I want to bring it to school. Because you're allowed to bring it back to my school. Oh. Kusheen the cat bag is loaded. There's a bag. OMG, look. Okay, let's show you the Kusheen. Ooh. Oh, I want to reply now. There's a phone while I'm pushing the cat. Hi. Oh, this is so cute. Let's open it up. I'm dying into opening them. I don't know where this. Like, where's my other toys? My other toys is to just let it die. Okay, I'm so sorry. I went a little too deep. Oh my god, this is so cute. So there's like a little pocket in there. That's Kusheen the cat. Oh my god, that's so cute. Then we have a key ring of Kusheen the cat. I'm gonna hang this up on my bag. I like have to. Let's open it. Oh, that was hard attack. Why is it so tough? That's attached. How did it? Oh, I don't need my seat. Sorry. I was interrupted. Sorry, I did that. Oh, Kusheen the cat's so cute. Oh, he's really squishy and fidget. She's fidgety. Nice. OMG, guys. It's this lunchbox. Oh my god. So cute. He deserves Oh my god! I don't know what the last one says. So it's pink. Kusheen has eaten a milkshake, popsicle, like ice cream. Like something. Just look at it. Okay. Oh my god, there's a snack attack. Come on, look at that. We can't be lying. Oh, snack attack. Wait, what? This is like the dolls that just keep going smaller. Seriously. We even have this young one. Let's see if there's anything like that. See, it'll be smaller and it can't fit anything in. This can be the thrill and it can be the recess. It could be the lunch. Well, I order lunch now, so no need. But I can use it for food. That big one. Too much thrill. Okay, I need more recess actually. Why am I stepping on the ground? Oh, I feel so sad. Even though I should load up my bag right now. I don't know why I'm not. Just leave it there. Oh my god! There's a Kusheen cat water bottle. Oh my god. I have to open it up. Oh no. Not these ones. Too much water. Okay, but I love it. I have to bring it to school like right now. Maybe that is my specialty. Oh my god, why did she send me so much? I think we do have a snack attack. It's not a heart attack. I mean snack attack, not heart attack. That's what my dad I think. Bye fun bag. It's not boring bag. Fun bag. Okay, I ate one of each. It's fun. Okay, I don't know where it went, but I ate a milk dairy sticker. I don't know why people keep replying. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 6 dairy milks, so that's a dairy milk. So yum. And I had Birdie Beetle. It's yummy. And I have Smarties. Look at that. Let's read a fact. Oh, fun fact. Snakes live in oceans, trees, and on land. I didn't even know that. I think I saw that. Fun fact, chameleon stomachs are about 1.5 times their body length. Are you serious? It was a big or small because we just loaded it up. And what's the fact? There's no fact. Upsetting. And then we have the curly whirly and then it's like chocolate. What is this? I'm just gonna open it up. I wanna see what it is. Oh my god. Can't believe what it is. It's this. And it's kind of a waste of time. Made my table talk. Oh, good. Just chalk tips on my table. I'm cleaning it. And that keeps cleaning. Thank you for watching with me opening Kusheen the cat. And don't forget to give the big like, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications, and a big thumbs up. Bye. I just said that. Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Don't forget to see awesome and amazing.